Have you ever woken up feeling completely exhausted and even after a full night's sleep? Or maybe you've had nights where you slept less but still felt surprisingly refreshed? The secret lies in your sleep cycles, and today we're unlocking the power of REM sleep, your brain's ultimate reset button. Stick around because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to optimize your sleep for better recovery, focus, and energy. In our last video, we covered deep sleep and how it helps repair your body. But what about your brain? That's where REM sleep comes in. This phase plays a crucial role in memory, learning, and emotional health. And here's something most people don't realize. If you're cutting your sleep short, you're missing out on REM sleep the most. Let's break down why that's a problem and how you can fix it. Now let's explore your brain's reset button, which is your REM sleep. While deep sleep restores your body, REM sleep recharges your mind. During this phase, your brain consolidates memories and processes emotions. Neural connections strengthen, improving creativity and problem solving. Dreaming occurs, playing a key role in emotional regulation. Think of REM sleep as your brain's software update. Skip it and you're running on outdated, glitchy software. Not ideal, right? What happens if you don't get enough REM sleep? Skipping out on REM sleep can lead to memory problems, increased stress and anxiety, reduced focus, creativity, and problem-solving abilities. Since REM sleep happens more in the later part of the night, sleeping less than 6 hours significantly reduces the time spent in this critical stage. But don't worry, there are simple ways to optimize your sleep and ensure you get enough REM sleep. Now let's get into that. How to balance deep and REM sleep for maximum recovery. To get the best of both deep and REM sleeps, follow these simple strategies. Maintain a consistent sleep schedule. Your body loves routine. Avoid screens before the bed. The blue light disrupts melatonin production, which can hamper your sleeping ability. Create a cool, dark, and quiet sleep environment to support natural sleep cycles. Reduce caffeine and alcohol, both of which can interfere with your REM sleep. And manage stress with relaxation techniques like meditation, deep breathing, or reading before bed. Get at least 7 to 9 hours of sleep to ensure full sleep cycles. Now, let's find out what are the foods that can support REM sleep. What you eat before bed directly affects your sleep quality. Something like magnesium-rich foods, which are generally nuts, spinach, and bananas, can help relax muscles and improve sleep. Tryptophan-consisting foods such as turkey, eggs, and cheese boost serotonin and melatonin production. Avoid sugary snacks and caffeine before bed as they can disrupt sleep cycles. Imagine fueling your brain for the best night's sleep. Just by eating the right foods, it's that simple. Can you make up for lost sleep? Here's the truth. You can't fully recover lost deep or REM sleep, but your body does try to compensate, which is suggested by the research done in 2010 by Banks and team. However, chronic sleep deprivation has lasting effects on brain function, immunity, and even longevity, which is again shown in Walker and team study done in 2017. Now, the best strategy: prioritize sleep consistency instead of trying to catch up later. Does technology help with tracking your sleep? Sure. Wearables like smartwatches, rings, and sleep trackers can give insights into your sleep patterns, but they're not 100% accurate. The best measure how you feel when you wake up. If you're waking up groggy, it's a sign your sleep quality needs improvement. Deep sleep and REM sleep work together as an ultimate recovery team. One restores your body, the other sharpens your mind. Prioritizing quality sleep habits will boost your focus, memory, and energy levels every single day. Want more science-packed tips on fitness and recovery? Hit the subscribe button and turn on notifications. And drop a comment. Are you a deep sleeper or do you have wild dreams in REM sleep?